Yeah, let's turn that off before we get in trouble on the old interweb. What's crack-a-lackin'? What's smack-a-lackin'? It's another fishing adventure here on Marshall Outdoors. Gonna start off another one. It is blizzard conditions at the moment. I don't know if you can tell, it's snowing on me. Look at this snowbank. It's as tall as me. We got about 2 feet of snow. I got the Snowmobile this time. We're gonna rip that, rip the sled, and we're gonna go out for little crappies. I'm running late. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so this turned into midday. Supposed to happen, didn't happen. Went to another lake, nothing but tiny fish. Got the truck stuck quite a few times. Blew off the road, started driving, got stuck. Got stuck in this huge mess pile. Here, had to shovel. Hit an old plowed road. Stay away from those because they'll get you stuck. What? Few times. Pretty bad. And yeah, I'm gonna get all this junk unloaded as fast as I can, get this sled loaded up, get it off the trailer, and let's get out there. Just like that, let's get out of here. We've just arrived. Look at this snow. It's so freaking deep out here. There's no way you're getting into this place without a snowmobile. So, pop a bunch of holes, as always. Where's my water? This guy is dying. Set this down. Yeah, pop a bunch of holes. A couple people out here. Seen some fish. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Let's see if these crappie are going by. Snowstorm, my favorite time for crappies, is in a good snowstorm. I don't know what else to say. Okay, finally. Everything is so froze up. It's absolutely ridiculous. Can't even get the graph to work at this point. Let's get down there. It's snowing like crazy. I don't know how much I'm gonna have my big camera on because it's getting covered in snow real quick. I don't like that. Oh, on. Wheel them up slow just in case. It's not crazy deep, but ooh. Okay, this thing's going home. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Dude, there's some racing. Yeah, that's a bomb. That's a bomber. Oh, buckets. Dude, I had fish just sitting there forever. Not doing nothing. Boom. That thing just creamed it. Camera battery is flashing on the camera. That is not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. I'm working a couple right now. Got him. Doesn't feel huge. Stuck at the bottom of the hole. Oh, somehow. That's not terrible. I'll take this. I'm gonna actually keep this one. See if I can get a couple of his buddies. He's got a couple. Oh, that one charged it. And it feels like a pie. It feels like a pie. Oh. Yeah. Get that rod, dog. Oh, dude. Changed his whole, like, stared at it 100 times and finally just changed his move. Oh, yeah. That is a bomb. size of that crappie. That is sick. When he changed his mind and hit it, I can't even see it. Can't even see it in there. And he's got some friends. He usually wouldn't like to keep fish this big, but that fish's eyes are already popped out, so we are gonna keep him. It's kind of a chance to take when you're fishing deep water. I know some people are like, oh, you can let those fish go, they'll be fine. Oh, they're not gonna be fine. And just like that, they're all gone. To the next. Got him. Got him. Another eater. Another good eater. Jesus. A little on the small side. A little on the small side, but he's coming home. It's too deep. Too deep of water for you, pal. Oh, here we go. Oh, that one wanted it. It's crazy. They sit down there and look at it for 5 minutes. No one wants it. When you make a move, just jig it one special in. Yeah, he's tangled up. Oh, Jesus. Not a big crappie, but going on the dinner table. Because once again, one thing, he is bleeding already. This is a spot you come to and you catch your limit and leave. You ain't gonna be catching and releasing. Oh, what's that? We've got a red mark. And red marks usually mean. What do red marks usually mean? Set the hook. That's usually what red marks mean. Set the hook. Not huge. Not huge. I ain't complaining. So you're trying to get some dinner. So getting some dinner. Oh gosh. This is just a mess. Better not. That's not bad at all right there. I'll take those all day for dinner. It's actually a slob. Not slob, but it's a big crappie. That's alright. Holy buckets, there's so many of them down there. Better fire right in. Oh no. Come on. The higher the mark, the more aggressive the fish. Oh, yeah. That's a little bit better. That's a little better. He creamed it. Oh, it is so freaking cold out here. Nothing's working. And there's that crappie. Camera died on me. That sucks. Pay attention to your camera, Gomer. Come on, you stare. Why won't you eat? Just stare at it. Come down there, slap your arm. Oh, I guess that one is. I guess that one is reel them up slow because it feels tiny. It's actually not. I mean, it's pretty small, but that's actually gonna come home with me. I'm just gonna put him right there. Let's see if we can get his buddy. It's getting dark all of a sudden there. Getting dark quick. Sun's just going down. Okay, that is gonna do it for me. I'm talking. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. We are already not the most successful day of crappie fishing I've had this year. But we grinded, got to a spot that I haven't been to in a long time. There's still fish here, just not that many. So, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Till next time, signing off. Don't know where we'll be, but we'll be on the ice somewhere. We will see you then.